We're moving. Winnie, do you have anything to say? We're moving. I'm gonna use this. I'm scared. Recording. It's recording. Not a picture. Not a picture. She's so cool.
Welcome aboard. Today's pilots. We're committed to making your flight safe and comfortable. So before we depart, we'll be showing a brief safety presentation. This information can help you if there's an emergency, so it's important to pay close attention, even if you are a frequent flyer.
All carry-on items should now be stored securely, either in an overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. And all aisles, exits, and bulkhead